Yankees beat the Mets 4-2 on Monday inside Yankee Stadium, and that was the same last night on a Tuesday. So the Yankees sweep the Subway Series. There was a market available for the series winner prior to Game 1. The Yankees were the underdog at plus 320. Congrats if you cashed that ticket. Both games go under a total. The Pinstripes have gone under in 10 of their last 11. But, Joe, entering this Subway Series, and I think this is the bigger point, it felt like the Yanks were reeling. They had still only won 4 games in their last 18. They pull off a sweep over the New York Mets, a certain contender for the National League and a World Series appearance. Has this changed your outlook for New York, that being the Yankees in this case, the rest of the way?
So we knew, Ben, and we talked about this prior to the All-Star break, that at some point this season, it could not continue to go, all the breaks go towards the Yankees, right? All of these one-run games, these walk-off games, which is great, but at some point, injuries were going to hit. There was going to be a slide at some point in the season, and I think we reached it. I think after the All-Star break, here we are. The Yankees were not, they didn't look anything like the team we saw in the first half. Now, having said that, this is a game of, it's a lot of ups and downs here. It's an emotional roller coaster, a long 162-game season. The great thing that we saw this weekend is we started to see Judge back in form. We know that Stanton is on his way back. He'll be ready to go Thursday. And more importantly, Frankie Montas pitched the best as that we have seen yet last night as a Yankee. So we can all breathe a little sigh of relief here. I think they've righted the ship a little bit. They'll get Stanton back, and the pitching, well, we still got some question marks in that bullpen, unfortunately, but collectively, they're still in a great spot. They weathered the storm, I feel here, Ben. They're still in a great spot to win the East and contend for a world championship.